Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today, we are in my new kitchen, and we're going to make a dirty rum and cola. The first thing I'm going to do to make this drink is fill my Collins glass full of ice. Then I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Then 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of coconut water. Then your cola, and again I'm using Coca-Cola Mexican for the sugar rather than the high fructose corn syrup. I'm just going to top that off. Add a lime, but get a knife. Okay, I have a knife. I'm going to set both of these aside for a moment while I try to cut a lime wheel. A lime wedge would work as well. Set those aside. Garnish. Straw. And there you have it. A dirty rum and cola. Drink with good spirits.